Hello friends, welcome to my new video on battery and its capacity. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the following questions. What is the use of a battery? How a battery works? How battery capacity is specified? Why battery rating is given in mAh or Ah? What is meant by C rating of a battery? So, what is a battery? Battery is a device that produces electrons through electrochemical reactions and contains positive and negative terminals. A battery is a container consisting of one or more electrochemical cells which transform stored chemical energy directly into electrical energy, but when connected to an external load. That is, when an external load is connected to a battery, electron starts flowing from negative terminal to the positive terminal, creating an electrical current. And this current may power a motor, a light bulb, a clock, a computer, a cell phone, and other electronic devices or equipments. And the battery flow speed is determined by battery's internal resistance and outside load. So coming to the battery capacity, as you know, battery stores charge in the form of chemical energy and then converts it into electrical energy to utilize for a specific time. So there is a limited number of molecules in any charged battery available to react. And there must be a limited amount of total charge that any battery can motivate through a circuit before its energy reserves are exhausted. Okay, so the capacity of a battery could be specified in terms of the free electrons available. But then this could be a large number. So we use the Coulomb, that is Coulomb is equal to 6.1 Coulomb is equal to 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Okay, so that is one possibility. But again we know 1 ampere equal to 1 Coulomb per second, or we can write it like 1 Coulomb equal to 1 ampere second, or simply converting into hours, you can say that 1 ampere hour equal to 3600 coulombs. So this is one method of specifying the capacity. Normally we use ampere hours and milliampere hours. Now considering an example of a 1 ampere hour battery connected to a load, this 1 ampere hour means the battery can give 1 amperes for a duration of 1 hour, or say if the current is 2 ampere, then it will give the load, it will feed the load for 0.5 hours, and if the current is 0.5 ampere, then it can hold for 2 hours. So that is all about basic battery capacity in ampere hours. But again, say we are having two batteries with same ampere hour ratings, 1 ampere hour, but one with a voltage of 3 volt and the other one with 9 volt. That means this battery will give 1 ampere for 1 hour with a voltage of 3 volt, with a nominal voltage of 3 volt, and this one will give 1 ampere for 1 hour at a nominal voltage of 9 volt. So will they hold the same amount of energy? We cannot compare because these two batteries are at two different voltage levels. Then we can use this term like volt into ampere hours, or call it watt hours. So in the first case you will get 3 into 1, that is 3 watt hour, and in the second case you will get it as 9 into 1, that is 9 watt hours. Now we can compare because both are energy representation, and the first battery has 3 watt hours and the second one has 9 watt hours. So obviously the second one will hold the more amount of energy. Okay, now again in some cases the battery will have a specification called the C rating. Here it is given as 50C. This is called the discharge rating or C rating. This is the basic capacity in milliampere hour, and this is the nominal voltage. Now C rating, it is an informal way of describing how much current the battery can safely deliver. A C rate is a measure of the rate at which a battery is discharged relative to its maximum capacity. And the capacity of a battery is commonly rated at 1 C. That means a fully charged battery rated at 1 ampere hour should provide 1 ampere for 1 hour, and this means 1 C, that is a 1 ampere hour battery providing 1 ampere for 1 hour means 1 C, that is a normal operation at the rated operation. And the same battery discharging at 0.5 C, it should provide 500 milliampere, that is 0.5 ampere for 2 hours. And the same way a 2 C, it delivers 2 amperes for 30 minutes. Okay, so here 50 C means that it will deliver 50 into what, 5 ampere, that much of current, maximum current that it can discharge. So it is a rating. Okay, thank you.